let's go over the top 5 Artist Alley products that always sell. A rundown of consistent fan favorites and why they work. Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sharon and I am an artist from Canada. Whether you're prepping for your first Artist Alley table or you're a seasoned tabler looking to fine-tune your product lineup, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 Artist Alley products that consistently sell. No matter the con, fandom, or year, I'll be sharing why they work, tips on how to make yours stand out, and how to avoid common pitfalls with each one. If you've ever had a slow sales day and wondered, should I be making something else? This is your sign to keep watching. These products have stood the test of time. Let's get into it. Stickers, the MVP of Artist Alley. I know, stickers, groundbreaking, right? But hear me out. Here's the reason why stickers sell. Number 1, they're affordable. Most stickers sit in the sweet spot of $2 to $5. They appeal to impulse buyers. People might not commit to a print or a charm, but a $3 sticker? It's an easy yes. They're low commitment and you don't need wall space or a display case. Just a laptop, water bottle, or a sketchbook. How to make yours stand out. Make sure to invest in high quality materials like vinyl, waterproof coating, and kiss cut edges. I personally love sticker sheets that are based on a particular theme, let's say cozy frogs or a pack of magical cats. I feel like they're more value and they get more sales as well. Trends also help, but evergreen ideas keep your sales consistent. And my third con, I had a sticker that was just like a silly meme with like a big googly eye that says like one brain cell hard at work. I almost didn't bring it and it sold out within like the first few hours. Lesson learned, simple sells, relatable also sells. Keychains and charms, the getaway to merch. Charms and keychains are one of the most classics for Artist Alley products that straddle the line between functional and decorative. Here's why they work. People love having something to carry their fandom with them. They're great for gifts like small, cute, and easy to transport. The appeal of acrylic, wood, or even like shakers or epoxy charms make them collectibles. Here are some tips to make them better. Pick the right manufacturer. Prints can be forgiving, but charms, I would say not so much. Nowadays, I do find that double-sided charms is like a must, or like it would be really nice if you can. Even better, use different art on each side. Making matching sets or series like zodiac cats or elemental animals, it's also a really great way to pitch your product. Here is a hot take. I find that charms with personality like a cat doing taxes or like a dog drinking boba often like sell out compared to generic pretty ones. People want their charms to have a bit of charm to it. However, here is a quick warning. Watch your price point. Once your charms go above $15, it can get tricky unless your art has a built-in fan base or collector value. Mini prints, the unsung heroes. Everyone talks about big prints, but 4x6 inches or 5x7 inches, these mini prints, they are absolute winners. Here's why they sell. They're affordable, easier to store, and easier to display than like 11x17 inch prints. Customers aren't always ready to commit to a full poster, but a small print, that feels like a safe purchase. They're great for building volume, like 3 for $10 is a great deal, for example, and works really well for sales. Here are some tips to make your mini prints stand out. Number 1, vertical orientation prints usually do a little bit better and easier to frame or pin to walls. Bundles related to themes are also really helpful, like foodie animals. I generally have a lot of food themes for my artwork because I love food and find that it's really relatable to a lot of the audience. I also like to include subtle background elements, like people love details in some of the smaller sizes. Here are things not to do. Don't just shrink down your big print designs. The best minis are designed to be small from the start. Think postcard style illustrations or trading card aesthetics. Here is a pro tip. Use them to test new styles or themes before committing to a full print run. Next up is buttons. Small, bold, and nostalgic. Yes, in fact, they're having a little comeback. Why they work? They're cheap and nostalgic. Great for sticker adjacent customers who want to show off their taste but don't want to commit a sticker to anything. They're also easy to upsell, like grab one for $2 or three for $5. Here is a hot tip. Make sure to make them pop, like use bold lines and contrast. You've only got like a 1 to 2 inch canvas, so make it work. Sassy or funny text also is a great way to grab attention, things like anxious but confident. I think those are things that really speak to customers. Here is an easy way to mess it up, so beware of this. Over designing. Buttons need to be readable from at least 3 feet away. If I can't tell what it is, I'm not buying it. Bonus tip. Button bins are chaos in the best way, like a little treasure hunt moment at your table that makes people stay longer, and that means they may potentially buy more. This last one for top 5 Artist Alley product is kind of like a hit or miss, but I've heard really good things from a lot of artists about it, and it is mystery bags. The surprise that sells. If you're not doing mystery bags yet, you may be leaving money on the table. Here are some reasons why they may work. People love surprises. It's dopamine in a paper bag. It helps you move older stock in a fun and appealing way. It's great for indecisive shoppers, and they get to be surprised and you move products. That's not to say that it works for everybody. However, as I went around the Artist Alley and asked around, a lot of people did mention the surprise mystery bags worked out really well for them. Types that sell best are like theme mystery bags, like vintage anime, or like snack themes, or tier mystery bags with like $5 bags for stickers, or $10 for stickers and print, or like $20 for sticker, print, and charm. Next, let's talk about what you should include in these mystery bags. Make sure the value exceeds the price, but not too much or it'll hurt your future regular sales. A fun insert or note also makes the bag feels more intentional. And just to wrap up, don't put in literal leftovers because people can tell. One small caution. Keep content relatively gender neutral unless the theme is super specific. You don't want someone to feel excluded by accident. So there you have it, the 5 Artist Alley products that consistently sell. Stickers, charms, mini prints, buttons, and hit or miss mystery bags. None of these are particularly new, but that's what makes them so reliable. It's not about chasing every trend. It's about finding that sweet spot between what you love to make and what people love to buy. Your art deserves to be seen and celebrated, and these products help get it out into the world. If you've had success with these, or there's a sleeper hit at your table that always surprises you, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing what's working for other artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Artist Alley deep dives. And until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.